This is the crew neck long sleeve slim solid dress hip wrap skirt. So this is a stunning red dress. It does come in a few other variations. So there is also a black as well as yellow, and I am wearing the wine red one in this video. Size comes in small through extra large. I wear the size medium, but I absolutely love the little wraparound piece right at the hips there. So you can undo it, redo it up as tight as you need, or adjust throughout the day if need be to aid in any comfort, but also really give the illusion of a very hourglass shape. So it's really a great body slimming dress. So in inches, the medium one that I'm wearing here, the bust is 28.5, shoulder width is 15 inches, sleeve length 23.6, front length 34.6, waist size 28.5, and the pant length is 35.8. Material of it is 97% polyester, 3% spandex, and this was great as both a fall or winter dress. I wear this one through both seasons. So it's thin that it's not adding any kind of extra weight to your body, but because it's long sleeve and a little bit thicker, it's warm enough to wear during those colder months. So I love pairing this with boots and a nice long pea coat. It just comes together really nice. A very affordable dress that looks very much more expensive. I feel like it just contours in all the right places. It kind of having ruching in that main skirt area too really kind of slims out any areas around your hips that you might want to look a little bit more firm. I know for me, I love it on my body type anytime there's those ruching. So if you're not familiar with ruching, it's those little lines kind of down below. Definitely love this one.